All right, in the last video, the last lesson, we had talked about our coordinate plane, our different quadrants, and how we have to use Roman numerals and not the numbers when labeling these. We had talked about our x-axis being our horizontal and our y-axis being what? Vertical, because Miss Armstrong is vertically challenged. I guess you could say I'm horizontally challenged too, but no, you're not. No, Miss Meek is not she is not vertically challenged, nor is she horizontally challenged. All right, so now let's talk about origin. The origin is afraid your phone's gonna go off. Is the point where the x and y axis intersect. And that ordered pair is 0, 0. So looking up here at my coordinate plane that I have, my point of origin is the point where the x-axis, my horizontal line, and my y-axis, my vertical line, intersect, which is right here. This is my origin, not to be mistaken with Oregon. It is not Oregon, it is not a state. And that ordered pair would be 0, 0. Now, on our coordinate plane, we have different locations. Those locations are called a coordinate or an ordered pair. So, for example, I have 2, 3. That tells me that I'm going to go to the right 2 spots and up 3 spots. My x always comes before my y. You crawl before you walk. And then that definition is a set of numbers that represent a position on the coordinate plane. All right, let's come back up to our coordinate plane up here. One more thing that I want to discuss with you is what these ordered pairs are going to look like, so that you can be able to look at the ordered pair and know what quadrant it is going to go into. So here, the quadrant 1 that you have worked with for a very, very long time, the ordered pairs, notice on my x, all my numbers are going to be what? Positive or negative? Positives. All my y's will be what? Positives. They're going up, so they will all be positive. When I move over here to quadrant 2, what happens to my x's?
Negative.
They become negative. What happens to my y's?
They're positive.
They stay positive. When I move over here to quadrant 3, my x's are negative and my y's are negative. Very good. Then I come over here to quadrant 4. My x's come back to being positive. And my y's are negatives. Good? All right. And now we're going to do some practice.